Doogee S90 Pro. Doogee S90 Pro is a mid-range smartphone that comes with a lot of premium features. It offers waterproof technology along with wireless charging features and display protection. Under the hood, it has a strong processor that can deal with games and multitasking. Overall, it is a superb rugged smartphone that can be used in any harsh environment without error. Smart and rugged display and camera. Doogee S90 Pro comes with a 6.18-inch IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 1080 by 2246 pixels and a density of 403 ppi. It has Corning Gorilla Glass V4, which protects it against scratches and marks. Moreover, as a rugged smartphone, it bears IP68 waterproof technology. In terms of optics, the smartphone has a 16MP and 8MP rear camera that can capture amazing pictures. The front camera comes with an 8MP lens that can click awesome selfie pictures. Additionally, the camera features AI-powered bokeh and portrait finish. Configuration and battery. Doogee S90 Pro is powered by an octa-core processor that offers up to 2.1 GHz clock speed and seated upon MediaTek Helio P70 chipset. It is further assisted by Mali G72MP3 GPU and 6GB RAM, which is huge to give a smooth and seamless user experience. The smartphone has a Li polymer battery having 5050 mAh battery, which is amazing to provide the required power backup for a day or more. It is coupled with wireless charging technology for the convenience of the users along with fast charging feature. Storage and connectivity. Doogee S90 Pro has an internal memory of 128 GB, which is huge to keep a lot of files and data of the users including apps and games. It also offers the option to expand memory up to 256 GB with the help of a micro SD card. For the connectivity of the device, it supports 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11, Beeper N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, etc. Doogee S90 Pro price. Doogee S90 Pro price is expected to be $432.41, 31,690 rupees. Doogee S90 Pro expected to be launched on March 20, 2020. This is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Doogee S90 Pro, which is expected to available in mineral black, fire orange color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.